Alright, besties, let's talk about something we've all struggled with: pimples. They pop up at the worst times, right? But guess what? Today, I'm sharing the ultimate guide to kick those pesky pimples out of your life. So, grab a cute notebook and jot these down because you're gonna love this. Tip 1: Lemon juice. First up, lemon juice. Lemons are like nature's toner. Just take a few drops of fresh lemon juice, apply it to your pimple with a cotton swab, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. It dries out pimples like magic. But wait, girl, do not step into the sun after this, it'll mess up your skin. So nighttime is the best time for this trick. Next is my personal favorite, ice cubes. Just wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and press it gently on your pimple for a few minutes. It calms redness, shrinks the pimple, and feels so refreshing. Tip 3: Garlic. Okay, this one's a bit spicy, literally. Garlic is like a mini pimple fighter. Crush a clove, mix it with a teeny bit of water, and apply it directly to the pimple. Leave it for 5 minutes, no more, trust me, and wash it off. The smell isn't cute, but the results? Totally worth it. Let's get steamy, but for your skin. Take a bowl of hot water, lean over it, and cover your head with a towel. The steam opens your pores, making it easier to clean out dirt and oil. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll feel like you just got a mini spa treatment. Now for my favorite DIY face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of neem powder, and a splash of lemon juice. Add water to make it a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, neem fights bacteria, and gram flour brightens your skin. Remember, no overdoing it. These remedies are powerful, so stick to 2 to 3 times a week, max. Your skin needs love, not overkill, okay? Also, don't forget to drink water. I know it sounds basic, but staying hydrated is key to flushing out toxins. And please, avoid touching your face, it's not helping, trust me. So, besties, that's my full guide to banishing pimples like a pro. Let me know which remedy you're trying first. And if you have your own secret hacks, spill the tea in the comments, I love hearing your tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more skincare vibes. Love you all, stay glowing.